So here's the Vive shower chair, and in this video, I'm going to show you everything that you see with your item, quick guide on how to put this together, and then what the finished product looks like, so you know exactly what to expect when it arrives. But here's what you get. There's really not that many pieces to it, and there's only 2 steps to put it together, which is super, super easy. So you have the base itself, as you can see, basically already fully assembled for you. Your backrest, your feet to put on there, and then the cushions. But let's start with getting the feet on there. That's the first step of having this assembled. And now this is going to be too where it is adjustable, so there's going to be holes here, and it's just popping pins into place. So at this point, you may want to measure it to make sure that you're putting all these on at the right length. But I'm going to get these assembled, and then I'll show you what the next step is. Okay, so now that we got these all popped into place, that was super easy. Took me maybe a minute to do. Literally just slide them on, put your pins in, good to go. Next step here is going to be to get the backrest on it. So I'm just going to stand it up like this, set it on my floor, and now we'll get this backrest. And that's the same thing too. Pins here, and all we need to do is just push them in and get this thing secured. Okay, so pins are now popped into place, and this thing is basically done. The final step is just getting our cushions on here, and these have adhesive on the back side, so all you need to do is just peel them just like that, and we can stick them onto the chair. And just like that, this thing is fully assembled. So this thing was super easy to put together like I showed you. I love that they can drain the water through here so the water's not going to sit on there. It'll go right through. Pads here that you can hold on to, pads on your back, pads on your seat. And this thing is pretty sturdy, can hold up to 300 pounds. So if you're looking for something that's very easy to put together, maybe it's your loved one or just yourself if you're injured, it's going to make showering just a whole lot easier and hopefully help you out. So I am super happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up. It does its job exactly as it should.